As we know, in last few years, many companies are trying to adopt a right first time or RFT environment. In this presentation, we will understand what is RFT concept, advantages of implementation of a right first time culture, implementation of percent RFT, and how to achieve RFT environment. In simple words, RFT means doing the things right in first attempt and every attempt. If something is done right first time, it is done perfectly every time, and no time and money is wasted for correcting errors. Here are the few advantages of doing things right at first time. Doing things right at first time assures product quality. It reduces cycle time for processing and reduces inventory required for manufacturing activities. Doing things right at first time improves capacity utilization and increases job satisfaction. There are few proven methods to achieve RFT environment, out of which four are given as below. First, RFT awareness sessions for new joiners during departmental induction. Second, monthly meeting with first viewers and QA for common understanding on observations. Third, focus on continuous improvement. Fourth, one-to-one discussion between employee and immediate managers. Now we'll see the concept of percent RFT. Percent RFT is calculated with the very easy formula, that is number of reports sent back from QA or reviewer divided by number of reports sent to QA or reviewer. In case if 10 reports are came back from QA or reviewer with the observation out of 20 forwarded reports, then RFT is 50%, which could be 100% and needs additional implemental actions. Monthly percent RFT to be calculated and circulated to section heads and updated on PD dashboard. Awareness trainings shall be imparted to increase the percent RFT, and online review and random shift end review by reviewer to improve percent RFT can be implemented.